Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of this new light pad my husband bought me today from Dotz, so stay tuned for this unboxing. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. So I decided to do my unboxing outside. It's a beautiful day where I live today. Not too hot, not too cold, just a nice day to be outside. But went to Joann's and had a 60% off coupon, and this was not on sale, so my husband picked it up for me. I told him I didn't have to have it, but he picked it up for me. This is the Dotz light pad. It is the light pad itself is 13.9 inches by 9.25 inches. The illuminated area is 12.09 inches by 9.25 inches. So let's get started. So let me tilt this down. So here's the box, and I cut it open. So it's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. And you open it up, and you can get your cord with it that goes with it. And then just in here is this very nice, actually I'll just keep this right here, light pad. It is very lightweight. And open it up, and you can see that it's this big. So it's bigger than my hand, and it's just a white light pad. It does have a sticker. Well, it's not a sticker, it's just this little thing on it. But there is it's very, very lightweight. It is very, very light. You see it has the Dotz logo on it with your button here. The back of it is right here. I don't know why this keeps focusing, I guess because I keep changing it. So it tells you it's a 5 voltage, what model it is, handle with care, only use on a safe, stable workspace, and store in a dry place. So let's light it up and see how it works. So I'm going to just use a power bank. USB port, so you can use whatever thing you got. And we'll plug it in. So very easily in there, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, gotta turn my power bank on. That might help. Not the flashlight. Okay. Alright, so you just, you can't see how it's illuminated, but that's the light one, the light setting, and then the bright, medium setting, and then the brightest setting. You can kind of see it glowing. So that's pretty neat. I don't know why my camera keeps focusing so much, because I keep moving it. Let it focus again. Unusual for it to be focusing like that. There it goes. I got it to focus. So it is just a little touch to turn it on 3 times, and then turns it off. So it's a value of $24.99. Like I said, I had a coupon, so I got a 60% coupon. So this light pad cost me about 11 bucks. So pretty neat little light pad to work. We'll see how it works when I start diamond painting on it. So thanks for joining me, and if you would like to go purchase it, go check out Joann's and use that coupon.